If you share your vehicle key, you can temporarily block usage of your personal eSIM and unblock it again later. This is conveniently done remotely through the My BMW app. Open the My BMW app and select the Profile tab. Scroll to Third-Party Services and select Personal eSIM. You'll see your mobile account listed here, and just below that, your vehicles. Tap Options next to the desired vehicle. If you want to block the vehicle from using the profile and temporarily disable the function in the vehicle, select Block in Vehicle. To remove the data from the vehicle permanently, such as when you will no longer own the vehicle, select Remove from Vehicle. It's that simple. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.